Hey, James Suarez out of the Los Angeles market. So I work with a lot of new agents, and my biggest recommendation is to get consistency in your business. Focus on one or two things that you do really well and get very consistent on doing them over and over and over again. So I've always been a big door knocker, and although I don't always get a ton of business from door knocking, just the action, putting the energy out to the universe of going door to door, I always somehow get out of the slump or whatever I'm going through, and business just comes naturally to me whenever I put the effort out there. We're focusing on delivering massive value and where we can level up the customer experience. At the end of the day, the customers want value from us, so we're looking to see how we can make sure that their experience with us has massive value.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.